moving forward, then I had that $20,000 to fulfill worth of contracts. And so I didn't, I wasn't able to push it out as much as I would have liked, but
Mm,
it's kept growing. It got to, I think, 400 or 500 members in the first, like 6 months. And then I opened up an affiliate program in the
mm,
summer. So I launched it in February, in the summer sometime. So, 3 or 4 months later, I said, okay, I'm going to give anyone that wants to promote it, you're going to get 50% recurring revenue. And of course, that's when the flood came in. Oh my gosh, Liz,
mm,
you're going to lose so much money. It's already $9. Are you making any money off this?
mm,
And for me, it was a very long-term strategy. It's
yeah.
like, okay, Netflix started off as what, $7 or something.
Mm,
And Netflix had real costs. I'm just a, quote unquote solopreneur. Like,
mm,
sure, my business has costs, but
mm.
like ConvertKit's $30 a month,
Yeah.
right? It's not the same way, that Netflix probably had to. I can't imagine their costs the first couple of
Yeah.
years, right? Like they had to go out and find investors, right? I'm not having to do that. So I
Mm,
thought, oh yeah, sure. Like it looks, when the numbers are small, it looks like I'm losing money. But one person tells another, tells another, tells
mm,
another, 20 something months later, here I am talking to you about the membership, right?
yeah. And even
And
even
so,
well, even with that, Liz, I'll add on there as well. Even if it is, even it essentially means you're getting, if it is a wire affiliate, you're getting $4.50 per month, and you might be, some people might be thinking, what's the point? But A, it adds up, but also B, that person's now on your list, and I'm guessing you've got other specials and promos and whatever that you will send out as
correct.
well. So it's kind of like, let's say I do a lot of Facebook ads. I usually pay $10 to get someone on my list, and I'm happy with that because I know, right, $10, get someone on my list, I'm happy. You're getting paid to get someone on your list. You don't have to pay Facebook $10. Someone's paying you $4 every single month, and you can sell them other stuff.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
that's the exact way I looked at it. It said, okay, yeah, I could pay Zuckerberg
Yep.
XYZ, or, I could build not only my customer base, but build loyalty within that and
Yeah.
excitement and momentum
I
by
got
having.
let me add on that as well, because I think it's a good point.
Sure.
Not only do I pay Facebook $10 for a lead, half the leads suck. And then and then another half of them just want a free thing. Like the people that you're getting on your list via the affiliate are people that are, they're buyers. They're not someone that's opted in for, and not saying there's anything wrong with opting in for a free thing. That's got its advantages too. But I'll take someone that's given me their credit card as opposed to someone that's just given me their email address. That's kind of one. And then also number two, since they've paid you, if they like your content, they're more likely to pay again. So I just wanted to add that in, but continue.
Yeah, 100%. The best customer is a repeat customer, right?
Yep.
And I know for me, I know if I can get them to spend $9,
Yep.
they'll spend anything because this $9 membership is so amazing. Like I
Yeah.
believed as I started building out the content, I thought, wow, this is actually really like this is really good. Liz, you
Yep.
found your zone, so to speak, and now is the time to double down.
Mm,
So once I opened up the affiliate program, actually I got a couple, we'll say, bigger names, bigger than me at the time
mm,
to start promoting. And that's when things really started cooking. It was this flood of new people. And
mm,
like Jono said, it wasn't just, freebie seekers, which,
mm.
I'm going to ask you to join my freebie at the end of this.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with it, right? I wouldn't be an email marketer if I didn't mention that.
Yeah.
But they were customers and they were excited and they had the trust that they had in those affiliates, they were now putting into me. And
Mm,
so, and then those people became affiliates, etc. And the real place where my membership started taking off. So we'll say, again, launched in February of 2021. And so come November around Black Friday, I'm thinking, I've got about 700 people in the membership, I think, at that point. And now
2021,
I'm really
Black Friday 2021.
Black Friday 2021.
Yep. Gotcha. Yep.
So I I start getting really excited. Okay, my goal is 1,000 people by the end of the year, 1,000 people
Mhm.
by the end of the year. And I'm, and I can see it. Things are rapidly growing. And I mean, it's going to be a stretch, but I can see it. And this is where I came up with a wild idea. I heard about, like Costco